Okay, here's a good question where you need to factor this expression. I see a 27 here, so I'm thinking cubes, because I know 3 cubed is equal to 27. So the first one is one that a lot of people sort of aren't sure what they should put there. So what I do is I know it needs to be cubed, right? So what do I need to put in here to make this b to the 6th? So if I put a b2, power of a power, 2 times 3 gives me 6. So the thing that should be in there is a b squared. Plus, then of course 27 will be 3 cubed. So my rule is if I have a cubed plus b cubed, the rule is a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. Okay. And it might be awkward using those different letters because I've got a b here. I'm going to get confused. Well, hopefully let me change those letters. Why don't we call them x's? So x plus y. So this would be x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay, so the thing that's here will be my x, and this thing here will be my y. So wherever there's an x, I replace it with b squared. Here's an x right there. It's going to be a b squared. Plus y is 3. Good? Now x again is b squared, so that would be b squared, but then I have that other squared up there. Minus x is b squared, and y is 3. So b squared times 3 plus y is 3, so this would be 3 squared. Okay, the first one I can't simplify, so just leave it. Next one, b squared squared, multiply those, so that'll be b to the 4th. Just rewrite these with the number out front, so minus 3b squared plus 3 squared is 9. And there's the factorization of that.